For assignment 8, question 1 is about fog. So in the color light shader, I create a constant buffer for the fog data. Here it has the fog star float, fog range, and fog color. Down here, I calculate the distance to eyes and for percentage, and calculate the lead color. And in the shader color light class, I create a function, send the fog data, and a new constant buffer for fog data. So here I create a fog buffer and send fog data function. So in here I use the shader color light and the send fog data, and is the and for the texture light is same thing. Create a fog data buffer and calculate the distance percentage, and the shader texture light also send fog data and the fog data buffer. So here I create 3 models. There are 2 planes, and the shader color light for the model 1 is for model 2 is a box for the render by shader color light, and model 3 is a texture box, and also send the fog data. The drawing first render the plane with the shader color light, shader color for object 2, and then shader texture light for object 3. So it will like this. The plane and this right box is use the color light. Okay, and question 2 is mirror. Mirror, I use the shader texture light to render the model 1 and plane. And I set a texture here. Model 2 is use the shader color. So here, choosing the step 1, render everything in front of the mirror. First, set the context is the shader texture lights, and set the plane. Set the first plane and render the plane and the object 1, and use shader color to render object 2, the model 2. And step 2 is making the mirror pixel, because the mirror I use the color light to render. So I'll go like this. Step 3 is to render object reflect in the mirror. Is similar with step 1, but texture for plane and model 1. But I need to multiply the mirror reflection matrix of them here and here, and render mirror again, use the alpha blending, also use the color light. And then render the object behind the mirror, which is the another plane. Use the texture light. It will go like this. Okay.